here, as you can tell by the huge crowd surrounding this car, this is the highly anticipated Mercedes AMG GT 63 right here. So this is the 63S. Beautiful wheels, carbon ceramic brakes. Amazing satin blue color combination. It's a 4MATIC. I love the wheels with the carbon fiber details. Love the headlamps with the carbon fiber details in them, and also the round DLR goes around like that. Chrome strips and gloss black. Cool thing about the logo right here, that it's actually covered by plastic, so it's probably a radar or something. There's a camera, Mercedes-Benz logo, and AMG right here. The car looks absolutely stunning in this color, especially with these wheels. I really love the combination. Gloss black details at the bottom of the door, as you can see right here. Alright, so let's walk around the back. Here's the beautiful taillight with the side marker integrated into the unit. Chrome exhaust tips with this gloss black rear diffuser and chrome line right here. GT63S, and I love these vents also. Alright, here's the look in the trunk of the car, as you can see. Here's the Burmester sound system. Let's take a closer look into the interior. So this is the door, and then it follows the standard Mercedes interior design language. With the frameless mirror, of course. This is the back. It's a 4-seater configuration, basically what the old CLS was. So what do you think about the new Mercedes AMG GT 63S? I think it's an absolutely terrific car. Beautiful inside and out. Let's take a look inside. I love the frameless windows, AMG floor mats. Here's a storage unit for the back. 2 cup holders that can be cooled or heated. And here is a central display to control the AC from the back of the car. Here you can see AMG logos right here. Burmester sound audio system right here, and right here. And there's something, a microphone, I guess. Beautiful AMG seats with this metal right here. And then of course, same as in every modern Mercedes, here is the closing plan that you can move in every direction. I absolutely love this interior color with the white Alcantara headlight. Here's the look into the front of the car. Oh yeah, and the seats are incredible to sit in. Here is the AMG logo right here. Also a normal sunroof, no panoramic sunroof, at least not equipped on this model. But because of the speaker right here, I don't think there is an option for panoramic sunroof on this car.